What's up guys, it's Rock Jr. here, and this video mapapanood mo naman talaga kung paano mo naman siya gagawin. Pero before that we started here, insert na natin yung memory card, especially the Functional boot on the second slot. So nakatabay agad yung Budokai 3 disk. So I'll check out the browser. Okay, it worked. So before accessing the Functional boot, check ko na agad yung console model niya. Pwede naman. So naka soft mode yan. Through Backup on para gawing region free. So balik tayo sa browser. Access agad yung Functional boot. So hinohold ko yung command button na naka-assigned yung ELF file para ma-open yung Graphics Synthesizer Mode Selector. So meron dito yung standard definition television video mode. Kung mapapansin niyo sa video, kailangan talaga mag-focus ang camera eh. Ayan. Then press circle para ma-set agad yung video sa NTSC. And yung screen adjustment by moving left para masentro agad ang tama. Depende sa television na ginagamit nyo, even CRT or LCD. After nyan, ipipress ko yung select button for exit method. So nasa PS2 browser na lang. Then press start. So nakabalik na sa PS2 browser para ma-access uli yung Functional boot. Since nakalagay na yung DBZ Budokai 3 disk, sasara ko na yung disk tray bago nyan basahin yung record. So after na ma-appeared yung PS2 logo, hihintay ko ng pagkakataon na ma-flash agad yung screen ng konti. Then hold triangle and the cross button. Hey, there you go. Ang tanong, do you wish to change to progressive even you plugged the composite cable on AV output? Take note, if you are not using GSM selector, if you answer yes, the screen will disappear unless you're using component cable to plug on its output. Anyway, the procedure works. Okay, let's flash out the camera. Alright, I make another procedures here before playing Guilty Gear XX games in different versions. The vanilla at the left and also the slash edition at the right screen. So same shortcut button for switching to progressive according to the game manual. As you notice the different languages after loading data, but you have 15 seconds to switch into progressive. Finally, it worked on slash edition while waiting for vanilla. And that's it. I hope na makuha nyo na yung tutorial na ito. If you are satisfied, please like and share. Tsaka isubscribe nyo lang ako sa YouTube channel para sa mga exclusive contents. Sandra Jr. Auto.